My name is Fernando. We're gonna be playing with slime. Slime, slime, slime. I can roll and slime. Oh no, it's sticking to the back of my head. Oh. Okay, so let me just. Okay. So I just can't. And guess what? My owner's here with me. Go. Let's go. Can I watch you? Yes, you can. Look. Get out the camera. Okay. Excuse me, can you hold it up? Okay, so do y'all like my slime? Now my owner's gonna be playing with it. Okay. Bye. Okay, so now I'm gonna be playing with it. I just love slime, but my puppy is just so rude with its slime. What did you just say? I said nothing. Puppy don't know how to play with slime. Huh? Puppy what? I mean, Fernando. That's what I thought. I ain't a puppy no more. I'm a big dog. Yeah, something like that. So first you just gotta poke it out and just be sure to take the tether just like that. And then you just gotta take it out. If it breaks, it's okay. Let me show you. It almost made a bubble. So I'm gonna do that thing that I just did again. So it's almost all the way to the end. If you see a hole where you make it, just don't worry about it. Just skip it. But listen. Okay, that's it. Wait a minute, you can't end it without me. Let's both say it. That's the end of the video. Now, let me say it. That's the end of the video. Something wrong with my voice because my voice is hurting. Clear throat.